What we're gonna try to achieve today, if I can get into the other shop with my welder. Somebody come unlock the room now. We're gonna put the 6.0 in the back of the truck so I can bring it over to where the welder lives and try and weld some miscellaneous hardware onto these broken studs to try and back them out. I'm gonna do all that whilst looking like I sell drugs in Miami, Florida. Oh, you got keys? Whilst having this motor off of the stand, we're gonna go ahead and torque. We gotta remember to stop grabbing my leg. We gotta remember to red Loctite and torque the flex plate. I'm assuming the torque is 75 foot-pounds. You know, that feels right. What was I talking about? Yeah, weld that, torque this, studs out, torque, back of truck. Hello! While I'm thinking about it, I'm gonna go ahead and zing-zang that pulley on there the rest of the way. Let's go snag the grrr, and just brrr the thing the rest of the way on there. That was 20. Oh, these are American. We got the metric. Oh, they're there. You are 24, right? Yeah. Just go until you feel something, I guess. Okay, I'm gonna call that actually good because it's not yeah, it's not going any further. Alright, just that little bit. This is where the fun begins. Oh. Straight into the oil. It's probably realized that the whole shop is all sloped towards one point. None of this floor is flat. It's really good. Matter of fact, this looks like one of the torque converter bolts. Found another torque converter bolt, I think. Man, everything's just coated in grease and chicken. Oh, that's our TV, actually. What the hell did I just say? Everything coated in grease and chicken. You can run, but you can't hide. You can't hide. You can run, but you can't hide. You can run, but you can't hide. You can't hide. You can run, but you can't hide. I look like Elvis in that Hawaiian movie. Are you gonna love me, baby? Anyway, we're gonna and then put this in the back of the and then bring it over to where the welder is, do the stuff and the things. Hopefully those come out real nice and easy. And then the shop is still locked up. The guy has not come to unlock it for me. Super cool, super great, fantastic. So, what I might do is snag the parts off the transmission and run up to the Bradenton performance spot. These are the guys I'm talking about right here. Let's, I guess, go ahead and crack these off. Y'all can see it. It's just me unscrewing stuff. Probably gonna cut this out anyway. Good old editor Steve doesn't care about mechanic Steve's problems. Okay. Sorry, I had to get a little Japanese on it. Had to sneeze. Had to sneeze on it. That's racist. No, it's not. Maybe it is. Hello, my friend. Straighter, please. Less gay, more right. I said easy. Did some research, and the torque converter should set 1 inch behind or past the bell housing of the transmission. So I'll measure that, but I also want to pull a measurement from the mating surface to this right here, just cause why not? Oh my god, it's so damn hot. Okay. Oh yeah, get the vertical shot so you can all. So just measuring. Yeah, it's supposed to be about about an inch, and it was about half an inch shy of that. Just, you know, did the old classic, just kind of, and eventually just went a little bit further. Now it's, you know, much more solid, has a lot less play in it. Now we got an inch. Yeah, and you can't, just to give like measurements for people that don't know like I do, or like I didn't. If you take your hand and push it back, you can't get past the second little rib into the back of it. There's no space at all. So, hooray. Delicious. Okay, gonna Loctite that stuff, and then cart it over to bay 1 where the welder is, weld some nuts, washers onto those studs, and hopefully they just kind of disco right on out. I am sweating through my jeans at this point. Check, 1, 2. Got one stud, and there we're gonna try and weld this nut onto, I guess let's just try it, huh? Alright. I don't know how much wire we got, but we're gonna find out. Now we're dark. Why'd that just spark? I'm gonna try a different nut. I don't think I like you. Everybody on the internet makes this look so easy. Don't worry. I'll make it look difficult. Don't get any ideas. Ow. 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 Well, this feels a lot more solid. Damn it. Pretty pleased. Alright, I'm gonna keep doing this. I'll bring y'all back if anything cool happens. We got one so far, and it's been like 45 minutes. What I'm fighting is, like I said before, they're just so deep into it, there's nothing sticking out. So what I was able to do on that one that I got out was a couple things. One, I used bigger nuts so you had more surface area. Two, I just started stacking, you know, essentially stacking tacks right on top of it to build it up so there was something sticking out, more surface area to weld to. So that's what I'm going to try and do again to this other side and see if that comes out. See what I'm kind of talking about? I'm just sort of building a mound of weld, and I'm just welding the piss out of this. And then we cross our fingers and hope that it just plays nice and comes out. That'd be sick, wouldn't it? This is really hot. That's fun to hold on to. Feels crunchy. Come on, just get out of there. You little devil. Nope. Yeah, see, therein lies the issue. One, I'm flux core, so I'm getting the dirtiest welds known to man. And then we're only welding onto like that little piece right there. So, I'm gonna try it again. Take number 652. It already feels broken. That's beautiful. Pretty please. Pretty please. The prettiest of pleases. Whatever pleases you, my pretty. Just slow down. Slow down. Be fine. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, stuck. Can I have it back? Thank you. We got wrenches. There ain't no wrenches anymore. My tool's been hung outside the hook on your door to your house. Oh, broken bolts. Yes. Feels a little bit squishy, but we are making some kind of progress, right? Right? Please say yes. Please let me win. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Come on. Come on then. Come on. Almost there, yeah. Wow. I can see like what is like held on with the weld. And yeah, we for sure got lucky with this one. Just barely hanging on. Can you focus on that, please? Not the motor. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, don't care. It worked. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Beautiful. Oh, but of course, gotta cut the foreskin off. Perfect. Just kind of doing a quick line, quick bump, you know. Just quick bump. All right. Go ahead and just stab these in here. I'm sure there's somebody somewhere that's like, you can't reuse those. Well, you didn't tell me in person, so it doesn't count. Maybe it does. I don't know. I'm not a doctor. All right. Now, because I'm feeling generous, I'll go up in stages. Don't really know or think that that's necessary, but you know, we're here. Mazel. So, oh, wrong side. Let's go with whatever number that is. Now let's go on up to 75. I just remember that I'm gonna need something to stop this thing from rotating. Come on. One. Two. Three. Did I already do that one? Four. Five. 6. Okay. Come Get on there. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, we got the AN adapter do things to the 90s, and hopefully that's not sticking out too far from the case. We got the motor back in the shop. I decided that once we put it all together in the back of the truck, then I'll drive it to the place, and that'll be good. Oh man, I'm so thirsty and so hungry. But yeah, got everything. Got the computer back in here. It's not hooked up. Studs are out. I'm sorry, the broken bolts are out. That's Loctited. This thing's pretty much ready to go, except for figuring out how I'm gonna plumb the crankcase vapor stuff. But that's gonna be just fine. Yeah.
Yeah.